Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Michigan from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 7:15 p.m. At 5:44 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 14 nautical miles southeast of Wind Point, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and large hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Large hail could result in structural damage. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Wind gusts to nearly 50 knots, large hail, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rain are possible with this storm.